Razer Blade Pro Review, a superb laptop for work and play. The Razer Blade Pro straddles the worlds of work and play, while cramming high-end components inside a 23mm thick structure. It looks fantastic. The minimalist body is hewn from machined, black aluminium, and Razer's familiar design language and color scheme are evident, with Razer's green logo dominating the lid. The Razer looks the part, and its slim design is paired with a weight of 3.07 kilograms, a good figure for a 17.3-in machine. Build quality is exceptional, with no give in any of the surfaces, and a sturdy lid behind the screen. We'd use a sleeve to protect the aluminium, but it's a solid design. It also has solid components on the inside. The Core i7-7700HQ has 4 hyper-threaded cores, and its 2.8 GHz stock speed offers enough power for any AAA gaming title and mainstream productivity task. We're pleased to see a GTX 1066GB too. It's a mid-range GPU with 1280 stream processors and a 1404 MHz clock speed, but that's not all bad. This GPU will produce less heat than a faster GPU, and it has ample power for gaming on the 1080p IPS screen, which has a matte finish and a 120Hz refresh rate, but no G-Sync support. Elsewhere, the Blade has gigabit Ethernet and dual-band 802.11 acres Wi-Fi from Killer, and 16 GB of 2400 MHz memory. There's also a 256 GB SIM.2 from Samsung PM951 SSD and a 2 TB hard disk for storage. What's more, the Razer's HDMI output is paired with a Thunderbolt 3 port, and you get 3 USB 3.1 connectors, a card reader and a single audio jack. Some other laptops offer more connection options, but they tend to be thicker and heavier. The Blade Pro can't be easily opened for interior access either. Core specs. Processor quad-core 2.8 GHz Intel Core i7-7700HQ. RAM 16 GB. Memory slots, free, 1, 0. Max memory 16 GB. Dimensions 32 GB. Weight 3 kg. Sound Realt HD audio, 3.5mm headset port. Pointing device touchpad. Display. Screen size 17.3 in. Screen resolution 1920 by 1080. Touchscreen yes. Graphics adapter NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. Graphics outputs 1x HDMI 2, 1x USB-C. Graphics memory 6 GB. Storage. Total storage 256 GB SSD, 2 TB HDD. Optical drive type NA. Ports and expansion. USB ports 1x USB-C, 2x USB 3. Bluetooth 4.1. Networking wireless. Memory card reader SD card. Other ports NA. Miscellaneous. Operating system Windows 10 Home. Operating system restore option restore partition.